Today we are going to be taking a quick look at this Lexus GX 550. This one behind me is the Overtrail Plus, which is the highest trim level. This GX 550 is one of the best Lexus that is currently on sale in the United States. And that's because you can get this in a 3-row family SUV. And when you get this Overtrail Plus, you get a lot of off-road capability because Toyota stopped selling the big Land Cruiser here in the United States. So this is what actually replaced the Land Cruiser, which is a better off-road. Though Toyota still offer a Land Cruiser, but this is actually the best SUV you can get from Lexus and Toyota if you want something that will be better for off-road. Help this to stand out is the design. This is really unique and very beautiful. And when you come to the rear, you get the Lexus that is boldly written and the GX 550. This one came with a tow package, which you can use to tow up to 9,096 pounds with this one. This one is equipped with these 18-inch wheels, which look really nice with this gray exterior color. And this one, as it is, has a ground clearance of 9.8 inches. But if you go for the 2026, the ground clearance actually increases to 10 inches. Inside this GX 550, you get a 14-inch central display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And in front of the driver, you get a 12.3-inch digital display gauge cluster. This GX 550 is powered by a twin turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine that is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This engine produces about 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, which is very impressive because even though this is a massive SUV, you can do 0 to 60 in about 6.5 seconds. And this comes equipped with a full-time 4-wheel drive system, which I think is really great. A Torsen limited slip differential, which have this in performing really great off-road. This GX 550 has a length of 197.1 inches and a wheelbase of 112.2 inches, which I think is really great. This comes equipped with multiple seats, so you can get up to 7-seater with this new GX 550 Trail Plus. One thing I will say is that this is a really nice SUV. Inside you get a lot of leg room. The cool feature about this is that you have this rear glass that can open up like this, which I really like. And to open it, you push on this button right here and you can open it up. This one came equipped with this really nice roof rack, which I think is really great for people who want to put load on top of their GX 550. One thing that I would say about this GX 550 is that when you are inside, you can actually notice the quality material that is used for this GX 550. But I am a Toyota guy, and the question is, will I buy this GX 550 for how much it costs? I don't know. This one has a dash cam here, which I think is really nice, and central screen. You get these 2 knobs here and another one on the right hand side. This came with a physical gear lever, which I really like, and you get 2 USB-C charging ports, and you get a cigarette lighter right there, and you get a lot of really nice material here, and you get your drive mode right there, and you have your DAC, which is downhill assist control, and you get all your off-road button here, 4 high, and how to lock your rear and front differential. This came with a wireless charging pad, which is behind the gear lever, and this is equipped with Mark Levinson sound system. This GX 550 come in 6 different trim level called the Premium, Premium Plus, Luxury, Luxury Plus, Overtrail, and Overtrail Plus. And like I said, the 2026 comes with a ground clearance of 10 inches instead of the 9 inches that this 2024 came with. And with this, you can tow up to 9,096 pounds, which is more than you can tow with the Lexus LX 600 and LX 700. So what do you think about this Lexus GX 550? Do you think you will buy this or you will get something else? Please leave your comment in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, and share. And one thing that I will not forget is that you get this really nice LED headlights and LED daytime running lights, which I think is really cool. This is the new Lexus GX 550. This is the GX that replaced the Lexus GX 460, which is one of the best SUV in the world. This one is body on frame, so it's a really great SUV. This one is powered by twin turbocharged 3.4 liter V6 engine that is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This engine produces 349 horsepower. But one place that this is very impressive is that with this you can tow over 9,000 pounds, which is very impressive. So with this Lexus GX 460, with this Lexus GX 550, you can actually tow more than Lexus biggest SUV called the LX 600 or the LX 700H. The twin turbocharged engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and this comes with a full-time four-wheel drive system, and this has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And this is a 14-inch touchscreen, which I think is really impressive. This one that we are looking at came with a 5-seat passenger configuration, but you can actually get up to 7-seaters with this LX GX 550. This one is equipped with these 18-inch wheels, which I think looks amazing, and on the top you get a roof rack. One thing that is impressive about this is that this is equipped with Lexus Safety Sense 3.0, which is the same as Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which is a really impressive system. So what do you think about this Lexus GX 550? Please leave your comment in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, and share. Another thing I want to say is that this is like the base trim level. There are higher trim level called the Overtrail, which is one of the best trim level if you're looking for something that you can take off-roading.